Hey there, this is an unboxing for the 1Mii Bluetooth transmitter. Let's go ahead and open it here at the bottom. Opens pretty easy. And first thing we see is this flap that shows you how to connect in TX mode or RX mode and gives instructions how to connect for both of those. Inside the box here, we see we have this 3.5 millimeter to RCA cable. We have this 3.5 millimeter audio cable. We have this USB charging cable that connects to this charger. And we have this optical cable, which is a decent size. And we have the unit itself here, and we can lift up these antennas. It has two antennas, and we can see that we can switch it into RX mode or TX mode or LL or HD mode. And we have a power button here and a Bluetooth button here, and this up and down button here, plus or minus. On the back here, we see that we have all the connections here, which makes it very easy to connect. So that's pretty much it. This is the 1Mii B03 Bluetooth transmitter, and I hope you enjoyed the video.